Okay, I don't know if any of you heard of this, but there's an app. I don't know if it's new or old, but it's based on the movie Nerve, where somebody goes into a game and they win money or they fail, then they become a prisoner. It's a pretty good movie, but there's a there's an app. It's called, can't see it. It's called Big Dog, or wait a minute, let me see. Double Dog. Double Dog. Um, it's too bright, but anyway, it's Double Dog. You can play for what's called bones, and you get them for free and whatever. But you can also, once you become a player, by doing certain things, you get to play for money. And I just wanted to try it out, so I put in $5, and there's this person on here called, coincidentally, they're called Nerve, Nerve, and they dared me to um, go up, do the chicken dance outside a chicken restaurant slash fast food place like KFC or Chick-fil-A. Okay? Now, I don't have any of those places near me, and it was for $1. So I double dared them, which means I double dared them, so that'd be $2 that I'd be paying them if they did it. Now, they did it, and this is the video. You can't see the video, but you can hear it. Probably. First of all, they're not anywhere near a chicken place. They don't do the chicken dance. And anyway, here we go.
I can't go outside because of the hurricane. Dun dun. I can't go outside because of the hurricane. Dun dun. I can't go outside because of the hurricane. Dun dun.
Alright.
I can't go outside because of the hurricane. Dun dun. I can't go outside because of the hurricane.
Looks like she's throwing gang signs.
I can't go outside
something like
of the
this.
Hurricane.
And so I contested it. And what that means is it goes to the whole community, and people vote on it. And you know, it said you contested Nerve's proof, saying went to trial, and proof was confirmed in the trial. You paid Nerve $2. So first of all, I'm not putting any more money in this stupid thing. And if you have it, don't put any money in it. And if you don't have it, don't get it, because it's a big waste of time. You have to find your own friends. A lot of the dares are stupid and juvenile, and it's just a big waste of time. I mean, I'm sorry. The only reason I got it originally was for the money part, to try to actually win money, because getting bones, I don't want bones. What the hell's a bone? It's like a fake currency that you can't buy anything with, as far as I know. So anyways, yeah. Double Dog, the app, do not get it. Some of you will get it just because I'm talking about it. And if you do, stay away from Nerve. It's all capitals. Nerve. So yeah, that's my rant about the app called Double Dog. But on a side note, if you can, go and see Nerve. It's a pretty cool movie. There's a twist ending, and it's pretty cool. But stay away from Double Dog. There's just not worth it. Have a good day.